The Honda CR-V key fob for 2006 to 2013 models uses a CR2032 battery. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Locate the seam on the side of the fob and gently insert the screwdriver into the notch. Twist carefully to pop the case open. If the case is stuck, briefly warm the fob with a hairdryer for 10 to 20 seconds to soften the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery correctly. Firmly snap the case shut. Test the remote by pressing the buttons. If the remote still isn't working after replacing the battery, clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion. If buttons are unresponsive, disassemble the fob further and clean the circuit board with a soft brush. Sometimes reprogramming is needed. Hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds near the vehicle to attempt synchronization. For stubborn cases, a Honda dealer may be required for coding. Always dispose of used batteries properly at electronics recycling centers. If your key fob case is difficult to open, avoid excessive force that could crack the plastic.